Gonna code, debug, and have fun. Coding with Radu, coding with Radu. Gonna optimize and refine. Coding with Radu, coding with Radu. Let's code now.
Last time on JavaScript Code Battle Tutorials, Leonard won using the array filter method, an arrow function, and the string includes method. Today's task is to remove duplicates from an array. Are you guys ready? Begin. Let's keep an eye on Leonard. Maybe we learn what his secret is.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Maybe you better focus on typing. You're slow enough as it is.
I am not slow. Look at this. I would like to see the other guy do it this quickly.
Yeah.
There. Perfect.
Radu, I think Leonard just won again. He created a set object which automatically cancels out duplicates. He then used the spread syntax to take each set element one by one and put them inside an array. You went through each element and checked to see if there's another one like it afterwards. If so, Oh, come on, man. Even I know you could have used the splice method here to remove the element. You didn't need to write another for loop just to shift the rest of the array one step backwards.
To be fair, his solution is good in the sense that it doesn't use additional memory.
Oh, so should we let him win this time?
No.
Okay, then congratulations to Leonard!
Better luck next time.